Fitmas, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I hope to inspire you to live your most healthy, authentic life, whatever that looks like for you. And I also really like to emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's fitness journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. So tonight I'm going to be showing you guys my winter nighttime routine. It's been a while since I've done a nighttime routine. It actually kind of feels weird to start filming this late in the day, but I'm excited to show it to you guys. It's 5:45 right now, so I'll probably go pick some dinner here shortly. We're having leftovers tonight. Thanksgiving was yesterday, so I'm gonna have a delicious plate of Thanksgiving leftovers. We picked up our Christmas tree today. We have found that Home Depot has really good trees, so we're letting it fall. We'll probably decorate it tomorrow, but it smells so good. We just love the smell of a real tree. Guess who actually put cumin on their whipped cream instead of cinnamon? So I scooped it all out to save my nightcap, and it's delicious. It's just past 7:30 now, so I'm going to do a little bit more work on my computer before beginning the official wind down, which is by far my favorite part of the day. I'm working more into the evenings lately for obvious reasons. Vlogmas, I want to put out a lot of content that requires significant more work, so I've been working more into the evenings lately, but having a delicious drink like this while I work helps it feel less daunting. I don't know if you'll see this recipe before or after this video, but I am releasing it during Vlogmas, so keep your eyes out for it. I've been really loving the Opal app. If like me, you struggle to stay off of social media or any other distracting app at night or anytime during the day, you should definitely check it out. This is not an ad, but I really have been liking this app and it's free. One of my favorite features is you can pick specifically which apps you want blocked. So for me, I find Instagram and my favorite game, Lily's Garden, most distracting at night. So we made it to my nighttime skincare routine. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take out my contacts. Figure out contact. So second thing I'm going to do is wrap my hair, put a scarf on, lined as well, extra protection. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow. And I realize if you put on old scrunchies like this, it keeps the water from rolling down your wrist. So snowflakes tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard. But I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes.
Alright,
Alright gang, so we are a little bit behind schedule for my routine. It's 9:18 right now. I should be planning my day, but it took me way longer to film my skincare. So we're a little behind, but we're still gonna get everything done. As you saw, I set up my humidifier. I grabbed my magnesium, which I like to drink before bed to help me relax and sleep really well. And now I'm about to do my brain dump journal on my laptop. Let me just grab my blue light glasses. Two things worth mentioning. At this time of night, I like to wear my blue light glasses if I'm gonna be on my devices. It just helps minimize the stimulation from blue light. And also, I'm still sitting in my chair. I used to do my brain dump journaling in my bed on my laptop. I prefer to type it, it's more efficient for me, but I want to just associate my bed with sleep. I have been trying really hard to do all my like computer activities out of my bed.